Hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. So how to use any Razer mouse as a left-handed person, meaning that you want to switch the right click to become left click and left click to become right click. So what you need to do is to download and install Razer Synapse 3.0. You can just Google it. It is the official program released by Razer, and then you open it from Systra and you will see an interface like this one. In my case, I'm going to show exactly how it works with this one, Razer Viper Mini. So you will see this interface. You click on your mouse which is connected to your computer, and from this window you will see the mouse and the buttons. And as I said, we want to switch left click to right click and the other way around. So by default left click is grayed out and we cannot assign it, but we can actually assign right click to become left click. So we need to click here, right click. It will open this panel, and from here we select left click, save, and in this moment both buttons are doing left click. And now this button is not grayed out anymore. If we click it, we can actually assign right click. So right now this button is doing right click and this one left click. And to go as it was before, since I'm a right-handed person and I don't need this setting, we click again here, left click, and this one to right click, and now it is as it was by default. So this can be useful for persons that are left-handed. If you have, as in this case, a mouse which is ambidextrous, meaning that it has the same shape on both sides, you can actually use it as a left-handed person. Even though in this case this mouse has side buttons only on the left side, so probably it will not be very comfortable as a left-handed person to click them. Even so, it can be used, as I said, as a left-handed person. You can just switch the buttons and it will work just fine. Razer also has quite a bit of mouses which are ambidextrous. I think there is Razer Abyssus and Lancet, Razer Mamba. I think they're ambidextrous mouses. So this is how you can use any Razer mouse as a left-handed person. I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.